Thank you for joining. In this video, we're going to show you what happens when quotes come in for your project. The quotes will be sent to your email inbox directly from the suppliers. We also send a copy of their quote to your Quote Juggler dashboard. From your email, you can easily click on a link provided to jump right into that particular project page inside your Quote Juggler account. Here, you can see the suppliers that this project was sent to: Gold Bond, Hit, Leads, and Primeline. You can see the rep's name and any action taken by them. For example, what suppliers submitted a quote and which ones either declined or did not respond at all. We display any of the notes the supplier may have in regards to this quote request and why they may not be able to meet your needs. If there was no response here at all, it just means the supplier didn't quote or decline and maybe just missed the opportunity altogether. Scrolling down here, you can see all of the quotes that have been received at a glance. There's a hyperlink on all the suppliers. If you click this link, it will give you all the supplier contact information. You can see the rep's name, phone number, email address, as well as their ASI ranking and where they ship from. Just a quick reference page. Going back to see your quotes at a glance, they have some brief information like the supplier name, the net price range each, and if an image was supplied, you can mouse over it to get an enlarged view. Then we have these action buttons here. Hopefully, one of these quotes will work for your end user. When that happens, we need your help by clicking on this Done button. The button will send an email to that supplier letting them know that they have won the business and you will be sending them a PO shortly. This is very important because this is how we prove to the suppliers their ROI. Each time you click this Done button, suppliers understand that their quotes are working and they respond faster for your future projects. You can also decline the project by clicking the Decline button. A pop-up appears so that you can inform the supplier why their quote worked for you. We also have this Ask Questions button. This is a simple way to send a quick email to the supplier about their quote. It gets immediately emailed to the rep, and replies are also sent directly to your email inbox. The system is 24/7. We're always surprised at how often suppliers are quoting late in the evenings and on the weekends. There's no software required, so you can use it on your iPad, your phone, anywhere you have an internet connection. Suppliers have been asking us to keep them updated on their quotes. We implemented an update status page. After 2 weeks of receiving a quote from these suppliers, we send you a quick email asking you, is this project still open, closed, or awarded, and if so, to who? This helps keep everyone in the loop. We send each one of the quoting suppliers your update. When you award it to one of the suppliers, we thank them for their quote and tell them that you will be submitting a purchase order shortly, just like the Done button. We tell the other suppliers that the project was awarded to another supplier and thank you for your quote. Now let's dive into the details of one of these quotes. Clicking on the See Details button for any of these quotes will reveal the quote information. You have all the supplier rep contact information on the top here, as well as the quote number to use on your purchase order. Then you see all the relevant information from the supplier. The item name, the item number, the URL for the website, goes right to the product that you are interested in. Have a brief description. There's an item image. And we also ask them, is this EQP price or better? And when they say yes, we indicate that with a red asterisk and let you know that right away. Then there's a setup cost, estimated shipping if requested, any notes from the supplier, number of production days, estimated ground shipping days, and the number of days the quote is valid for. Now this is one of the coolest enhancements we have on the system. Check this out. We can click here to create a presentation for this quote or multiple quotes. I will click on one item quote for this example. With one click, a presentation is created with your company information, your contact information, and the rest of the quote is pre-populated from the supplier. All of the fields are editable if necessary. We also built the margin right into the presentation. So I will change the first column to, let's say, 40%. We'll do the second column at 35% and the third column at 30%. Notice the math calculates all the way across. Mark up the freight 10 points. Pad the production days 7 to 10. Put a quick note in here. And then click on Save PDF, and we just created a presentation for the end user in about 30 seconds. Just think what a powerful tool this is for distributors. You fill out our easy Post a New Project page that takes about 2 to 3 minutes and then edit the presentation in what, 30 seconds? You've checked inventory, production time, have special pricing, and a presentation in your customer's hands, and you've literally spent less than 5 minutes of your own time. Total! Let that sink in for a second. Inventory check, production check, special pricing, and a presentation in less than 5 minutes of your actual time. Now just think how long it would take you to call or email a supplier right now to get special pricing or inventory check. After you get that information from the supplier, then you have to put together a presentation all on your own. We do all this for you in less than 5 minutes and with multiple supplier quotes. We are consistently enhancing the system and taking in feedback from distributors and suppliers alike on what we can do to continually raise the bar. I hope you will join the over 1,300 distributors and 500 major suppliers that have discovered how Quote Juggler can help you be more successful. For more information or to join, please go to quotejuggler.com. Thank you for your time and have a great day.